ClickUp has become a popular project management tool, known for its extensive features and customization options. One of the first questions many potential users ask is ClickUp free or paid? This video will break down ClickUp's pricing structure, explore its free and paid plans, and help you determine which option is the best fit for your needs. ClickUp's pricing structure. A tiered approach. ClickUp employs a tiered pricing model, offering a range of plans designed to accommodate various user needs and team sizes. This structure includes Free Forever, a free plan with limited features, suitable for personal use or small teams with basic needs. Unlimited, a paid plan that unlocks unlimited storage and expands feature limits, designed for growing teams. Business, a more comprehensive paid plan with advanced features like workload management and advanced automation, geared towards medium-sized businesses. Enterprise, a customizable plan with tailored solutions, advanced security, and dedicated support for large organizations. ClickUp Free Forever, a solid starting point. ClickUp does offer a free plan, aptly named Free Forever. This plan provides a substantial set of features that can be valuable for individuals or small teams getting started with project management. Key features of the Free Forever plan. Unlimited users. One of the most appealing aspects of ClickUp's free plan is that it allows you to add an unlimited number of users. This is quite unusual in the realm of free project management tools. Unlimited tasks. You can create and manage an unlimited number of tasks, providing ample room to organize your work. 100 megabytes of storage. The free plan includes 100 megabytes of storage, which may suffice for basic document and file sharing. Basic views. You have access to ClickUp's core views, including list, board, and calendar, enabling you to visualize your tasks in different formats. Whiteboards includes 3 whiteboards. One form. Create one form. 24/7 support. ClickUp provides around-the-clock support even for free users. Limitations of the Free Forever plan. While the Free Forever plan offers a good starting point, it does come with certain limitations. Limited storage. 100 megabytes of storage can be restrictive for teams that need to share a lot of files. Limited custom fields. The free plan has a cap on the number of uses of custom fields. Limited automations. You have a limited number of automation executions per month. No goals. The ability to set and track goals is not available in the free plan. No Gantt charts. Project timeline visualization with Gantt charts is not included. Permissions. Guest permissions have limitations. ClickUp paid plans. Unlocking more power. For teams and businesses that require more advanced features, greater storage, and increased scalability, ClickUp offers several paid plans. ClickUp Unlimited. For growing teams. The Unlimited plan is designed for small to medium-sized teams that have outgrown the Free Forever plan. It removes many of the limitations of the free plan and provides a more robust project management experience. Key features of the Unlimited plan. Unlimited storage. Enjoy unlimited storage for your files and documents. Unlimited integrations. Connect ClickUp with other tools you use, such as Google Drive, Slack, and more. Unlimited dashboards. Create unlimited dashboards to visualize your project data and track progress. Unlimited Gantt charts. Utilize Gantt charts to plan and visualize project timelines. Unlimited custom fields. Create unlimited custom fields to tailor ClickUp to your specific needs. Unlimited chat messages. Communicate with your team without message history restrictions. Native time tracking. Track time spent on tasks directly within ClickUp. Goals and portfolios. Set and manage project goals and portfolios. Guests with permissions. Control what guests can see and do in your workspace. Email in ClickUp. Send and receive emails directly within ClickUp. Teams. User groups organize users into teams. Resource management. Manage team workload. Agile reporting. AI compatible. ClickUp Business. For mid-sized to large businesses. The business plan is geared towards mid-sized to large organizations with more complex needs. It builds upon the Unlimited plan with advanced features and customization options. Key features of the business plan. Everything in the Unlimited plan plus Google SSO. Integrate with Google Single Sign-On for streamlined login. Unlimited teams. Create an unlimited number of teams within your workspace. Advanced automations. Access more powerful automation capabilities. Advanced dashboard features. Gain access to advanced dashboard customization and features. Advanced time tracking. Utilize advanced time tracking functionalities, including timesheets and time estimates. Workload management. Effectively manage team workload and resource allocation. Timelines and mind maps. Visualize project timelines and ideas with advanced tools. Goal folders. Unlimited message history. Unlimited whiteboards. Unlimited timeline views. SMS two-factor authentication. Custom exporting. ClickUp Enterprise. Tailored solutions for large organizations. The Enterprise plan is designed for large organizations with highly specific requirements. It offers customized solutions, advanced security features, and dedicated support. Key features of the Enterprise plan. All features in the Business Plan plus white labeling. Customize the appearance of ClickUp to match your brand. Advanced permissions. Implement granular permission controls. Conditional logic in forms. Create dynamic forms with conditional logic. Enterprise API. Access ClickUp's Enterprise API for custom integrations. Unlimited custom roles. Define unlimited custom user roles. Team sharing for spaces. Default personal views. Unlimited posts. MSA and HIPAA available. Single sign-on SSO and SCIM provisioning. Custom capacity in workload. Live onboarding training. Customer Success Manager. US, EU, and APAC data residency. Advanced public sharing. Which ClickUp plan is right for you? Choosing the right ClickUp plan depends on several factors. Team size. For individuals or very small teams, the free forever plan may suffice. Growing teams will likely benefit from the unlimited plan. Larger organizations with complex needs may require the business or enterprise plan. Features. Evaluate the features you need. If you require advanced features like Gantt charts, unlimited storage, and integrations, a paid plan is necessary. Budget. Consider your budget. ClickUp's paid plans are priced per user per month, so the cost will increase as your team grows. Scalability. If you anticipate significant growth, choose a plan that can scale with your needs. ClickUp add-ons. ClickUp AI. ClickUp offers an AI add-on called ClickUp Brain, which can be added to any paid plan for an additional cost per user per month. This add-on provides AI-powered features to enhance productivity and streamline workflows. Automation add-on. This add-on allows you to increase the number of monthly automation executions. Email add-on brings email functionality directly into your ClickUp workspace.